What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. So today I'll be talking about fairings and what type of fairings should I get. Alright guys, stay tuned. I'll be talking about fairings today. Alright guys, so welcome back to another vlog. So today we'll be talking about fairings, but it looks like it's starting to rain on me right now, so hopefully I can get this vlog done. Hopefully I don't have to stop in the middle of it or before I have to start. But yeah guys, I've been thinking about some fairings I wanted to do with the stock ones or with the with new ones I've been thinking about. So first, I have been thinking about matte black fairings. So I was thinking about plastic dipping the stock ones or buying just a matte black fairing kit. It'll be a aftermarket one. It's not gonna be OEM, but I'll show you a clip right here. So this is the one I've been looking at on Amazon. So you guys see the fairings are ABS plastic. So that's the same type of plastic that the stock fairings have. They're ABS. They're sturdy but still kind of flexible. So the aftermarket ones will be the same way, but it's gonna be a whole kit from the front to the back, and it'll be all matte black. The other ones that I've been thinking about, you can guys see I'm carded on the side here. It'll be a red, black, and white kind of pinstriped white on there fairings. It's the same thing, kit with every type of fairings that it comes with it. So from the sides, from the front, so both of these two fairings would fit from the 2015 to 2018 R3 or R25s. The R3s are going to be in America, like the rest of the world, but like in India, I think India, Philippines, the fairing, no, not the fairings, the bikes are called R25s. So those are the two fairings I've been thinking about. The third option, I have been thinking about keeping the stock fairings, buying the second fairings, depending on which ones, and keep the stock ones and have it as a vinyl wrap, a different kind of vinyl wrap, like a custom made one. So I want to make this vlog so I can talk to you guys and get your opinion. So alright guys, hold on. So yeah guys, I'm gonna make this vlog so I can get your guys' opinion and see what kind of fairings I should get, or what should I do with the stock ones. So the two types are just gonna be a different color. One is gonna be a matte finish. The other one you can kind of see it's kind of glossy, pearl to it, red, black, and white on there. So the red, black, and white will go kind of with the theme of the bike that I'm going with. If not, the matte black one, it'll be still kind of like a Street Fighter. Be just all matte black with some red accents. So I'll keeping on the same theme that I am going on. So that'll be the option that I've been thinking. So why do I want to have a different kind of fairings? Just change it up. That's the way you can have your motorcycle. Pretty much customize a motorcycle the way you want it to fit you, the person riding it. So the way I want to customize my bike would be a black with red accents on it. That's what I pretty much, black is my favorite color though, and red would be the same thing. But yeah guys, so that's the thing I want to talk to you guys about and see from your opinions what would be a good option for me to go with. I have an idea, so I still want to make this video so I can include you guys, and I want to show you guys my actual new setup that I am doing now. Hey. So I have another camera here mounted onto my handlebar. I made another video before this one, you'll be able to see it. I have an adapter mounted this on here, so I can improve the quality of the video. So yeah guys, you'll be able to see me talking and riding. So hopefully I can improve the quality of my channels by doing a double setup camera. But yeah guys, I want to see what be a type of fairings you guys like. But for what I want to do, so I want to go with a matte black finish fairings. Keep the stock fairings so I could do a typical kind of vinyl wrap to the bike, and so I won't have a bike for the summer to ride. I'll be able to ride still and keep on going with fairings on. So but yeah guys, so that's the thing I wanted to talk to you guys. So if you like this kind of content, let me know, subscribe, hit the notification bell, comment down below. I'll be down there reading you guys' comments, talking to you. But alright guys, it's getting really cloudy. I got some stuff to do. So alright guys, thanks for watching. Peace.